I think that the way I look at it is these markets, these core holdings can go down, and we saw that. And this is how CTAs did so well last year, being short the bonds and short the stocks. And I think giving people this ability to get into something that's pretty different that they didn't even know that they needed or they wanted, um, this ability to recognize that all of these markets at some point in time, stocks and bonds included, they're no different. They're not special. I know people think they are. I get that, but they're not. Trust me. They need stop losses. They need trailing stops. There's a right time and a wrong time. You have to get back in. When are you going to get back in if you get out? This is a very elementary question for trend following. And so I think creating a product like this that allows people to say, I like adding alternatives to my stocks and bonds, but what happens if I sort of turn the stocks and bonds into alternatives where they can go short as well, and then they can use this trend following approach that works so well with the alternative piece, with the currencies and commodities. So I think this is what we're trying to do is let people see that there's an eternal weakness in anything that's 60-40 or buy and hold, in the sense that it's going to really cause problems for the whole portfolio sometimes, and you can't dodge it, and that you won't allocate enough to alternative or to CTAs in order to prevent that from happening. And then, of course, there are times where there's big trend following fails. We've seen that many times where basically the stocks crash, CTAs get short late, and it's a V bottom, and it rallies right back like during 2020 and other periods. So trend following is going to have its own issues as well. And this is what we try to do is educate the clients to become kind of lovers of trend following, understanding the benefits of massive diversification, longs and shorts, and using a trend following approach, and understanding when it's not going to do well, and trying our best to get people to not have FOMO, like, when stocks do really well and trend following suffers, why am I even in this product? So I think adding equities and adding some trend following exposure to the equities could help people hang on a bit longer to something that they know they should do, but there are tremendous pressures to not do the right thing.